When you open Filmora mobile, there are some excellent features that you just cannot find, and the reason is they are not exposed to this interface that you are seeing here. So then I have decided to show you those hidden features in Filmora mobile. Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edis, and the very first one right here is the progress bar. Now if you guys are not very sure of where and how this can be applied, basically this is something like a graphical representation of a certain chapter within your video. Alright, so as you can see how big YouTubers use it to represent the adverts in between their videos. But right here in Filmora mobile, you just cannot see it right here. On this first set right here, you actually have to scroll to the right side, and then right here you are going to see the progress bar, and by default right here it gives you two description box, which are two bars, so that you can actually make two chapters of maybe whatsoever that you are doing. In this example right here, this guy is cooking, so I'm gonna write on the first box how to cook part 1. all right, and then after that I go again to the second description box and write the same thing, how to cook part 2. all right, and as you can see right here, you can use the style option here to make some changes according to your likes. all right, and after that you can just stick right here. Moving on my dear friend, this is a very useful feature, but also very hidden. So this is the chroma key. Now chroma key is very popular, so I'm just going to assume that you know it and not to explain it further. But the difficult part, which is my very mission of creating this video, is how do you find it? all right, now let's say I want to remove the green screen of this video that you are seeing right here. Then I actually and certainly going to use the chroma key. So for that my dear friend, you must select this video right here, and when you scroll to these features, you are not going to find anything called chroma key. But what you're going to do right here is to select this option right here, which is called the smart cutout. And when you open it right here, this is where you see some more options unfolding. all right, and here is the chroma key. Now as you can see right here, when I select it, and right here on the screen I can actually pick the color that I want to do the keying. all right, as you can see right here, the green is being removed. okay, and maybe it's just by the quality of the image, but it could have removed even this green edge line here. all right, my dear friends, so to make use of your time, we are just going to move on to the third one, and this is the mask. Without doubt, masking is the very useful feature in Filmora mobile, but also masking is not very easy for you to find. okay, when you select the video or the image that you would like to do the masking, you have to scroll this side again, and then right here the mask option is going to show up also. As you can see, here it is. Here when you open it, you can select a different shape or style of the mask that you would like to use. Alright my dear friend, now the very last feature right here, which is also very important when it comes to its function. Alright, so this is how to remove the background in Filmora mobile. alright, so besides the chroma key and other options, there is a straightforward option that is actually meant to remove the background. When you select that one, then the background is going to be removed right then. okay, so let's see how do you find this feature as well. Right here, let's say I want to remove the background from this image right here of this man. Then I have to make sure the image is selected firstly, and then scroll to the right side again, and then here you are not going to find an option that is called the background remover. But what you have to do is to select the smart cutout, this option right here, and then after you have selected it, here you're going to see this option right here, which is the background remover. okay, and then as you can see, the background is removed like at once. Okay my dear friends, so thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. This is all in this smartphone editing episode, and right here on the screen is one more very useful tutorial. You can check it out. Peace.